Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 4th to 8th May 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.15% negative move. 4614.28 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a bearish candle with a medium body and a big lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 1620 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. Currently it's ranging around oversold area, so it is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So let's open a 1-day chart over here. So here this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 4614 is the closing, and the direct support is 4600, direct resistance is 4650. After direct support, there is a support of 4568 and then 4550. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4700 and then 4750. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and you can trade once these levels gets breached with a 4 hour or 1-day candle closing. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts or the maximum discount which is available to in their platform. So you can use those coupons given link in the description as well as the coupon codes, so you can use that. But if you believe that, or if you feel these prop firms has a very strict rules for trading, then you can also open your own live account, which is a real account where you can fund your own capital and you can directly trade on forex market, which is GTC FX. I have already given link in the description of GTC FX. These GTC FX is very helpful for the Indian traders because these GTC FX helps you in depositing and withdrawing your payouts or the amount directly from bank to bank. Even you can use the crypto to crypto for deposit and withdrawal. So if you're interested or you do have any questions regarding GTCFX, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I have already shared my WhatsApp number on video as well as in the description. So if you are interested, if you want to know more about it, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 4650 to 4700. I'm expecting a positive closing, but I will go for a long only once 4650 gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed above this, and I will go for a long till this level. But if the momentum is in this range, that is 4600 to 4650, I won't trade because this is a no trading zone. Here the gold can be in a sideways momentum. Overall my expectations are a bit positive, but if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 4600 gets breached and a 4-hour or 1-day candle gets closed below this. Then you can go for 46, 45, 68, even 45, 50. You can easily go for these targets. Overall, my expectation is positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.